So, beautiful people, here it is how to turn on your dark mode or light mode, whichever one you prefer. Okay, so this is what this video is all about. Like I said previously, now let's go straight into the video. You can see on my screen, this is purely white. Okay, so this is purely white. Like some of us who doesn't like everywhere shouting and everywhere lighted up, you can change your mood. You don't have to be just keep maintain one mood the whole time. Now, but for you to do this, you have to log into your YouTube account. Guys, I cannot like overemphasize this. You have to log into your YouTube account. Make sure that's your account, and then you go straight to your top right corner. After the create, you move past the bell and then you go to where your picture is. Your picture is, click on it. A dialog box will appear, a drop down dialog box will appear. You scroll down. This is not is it, neither is this. It's neither is this. So you have to scroll down, and yet then you get to appearance device theme. Don't forget appearance device theme. Click on it, then you will find setting applies to this browser only. Like that's why I said you should log into your account. Now you have use device theme, which already my profile is on, and then you have dark theme or light theme. Then you pick one. Like I said, we're changing into from light to dark. So can you see, guys? Automatically, it has changed my whole page. Can you see? Okay, I'll quickly put a pause on this. Look at it. Everything is dark. And I just love the outlook. I just love the outlook. It's calm. Everything is going rosy in here. It's not so busy. The light thing kind of makes it that it's so bright and everything. But this looks so cute. It looks so nice. Guys, please, if you watch this video to the end, kindly subscribe to my channel. Okay, please subscribe to this channel. God bless you so much. And then give this video a thumbs up, share my videos. Okay, that's going to encourage me to make more research and then bring more videos to you, more tech videos to you guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. Put your comments. I want to know, what kind of thing do you like? Or would you prefer a light mode or a dark mode for your laptop? Especially this video is turning on the dark mode on laptop, but the phone mode is quite different. Okay, and I'm going to show you guys the phone, how to turn on dark mode on the phone. Okay, thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video, guys.